Hi, my name is Jeff from Clearpath Robotics by Rockwell Automation. We're back with another From the Shop video highlighting two customized Husky A300 robots designed for indoor applications. Let's take a look. When most people think of Husky, they think rugged outdoor autonomy. But these two robots are designed with a different goal in mind: stable indoor operation. The customer needed a pair of stable, vibration-free indoor platforms for their equipment. Let's take a look at how we modified these Huskies to meet their needs. Huskies are typically equipped with rugged outdoor tires, but they're not suitable for an indoor application. These Huskies have been equipped with smooth-running rear drive wheels, as well as agile front casters. This allows any payloads mounted on top of the platform to operate more efficiently because they don't need to compensate for that vibration. For example, in a lot of camera-based applications, the camera needs to stay stable and free from vibration in order to capture clear, quality images. With this platform, they can do that while the platform keeps moving, rather than having to stop for each image taken. Each platform features dual Hukoyu 2D lidars on the front and back. These lidars have a range of 20 meters and grant the robot a 360-degree view of its surroundings. This allows it to navigate around obstacles, map its surroundings, and navigate through its surroundings. We've made sure to include lots of space on the top plate so that the customer can integrate their own payloads. Both these platforms are running ROS2 Jazzy. Dual front and rear lidars combined with internal IMU are all the customer needs to get started with ROS2 Nav2 indoor navigation. This allows them to get started with their project right out of the box. So there you have it. Two customized Husky A300 platforms designed for real-world indoor applications. Thanks very much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.